Well, today is November 8th, and I'm standing here with Tricia. Tricia, can you tell us a little bit about your journey to Germany and your experience with the ONZ?
For sure. So I found ONZ like a blessing. I was having pain in my L4, L5, L5S1, and my C6, C7, and I was doing some um, searching on the internet, and I managed to find ONZ and started the process. It was a great process, smooth, easy, and within 3 to 4 months, I was down there, fixed, healed. I'm 10 months out and doing great.
Who did your surgery?
Dr. Illerhaus.
And what kind of surgery did you have?
So I had artificial disc replacement of my C6, C7 cervical spine and my L4, L5, L5S1.
And so you had a cervical and lumbar intervention, and was it done at the same time, or did you have to do two surgeries? How was that done?
They did it in one surgery. They did the neck and the spine all at once.
How did you experience the care at the hospital? Were nurses attentive? How was the post-surgical attention?
The hospital was fantastic. Everything from arriving at the airport, picking you up. You don't have to worry about getting to your destination. They drop you off at your hotel or your hospital. They take you to your rehabilitation center. Everything. They take you back to the airport when you're leaving. Everything is just organized. You don't have to worry about anything other than getting down there.
Now, you had a cervical disc replacement. Are you able to move your head now?
I can move my head just fine. Before I couldn't bend up.
How's your lumbar spine? How's your body movement?
Oh, it's fantastic. I can move in all directions. Before, to be able to bend over and tie my shoes, oh my gosh, it was probably a 30-minute episode to bend over. And now I do it with no pain.
Would you say that you have regained your quality of life?
1,000%. I have regained my quality of life. I'm so happy.
Well, we're glad to be able to see you here again, Calgary, 10 months after surgery. Thanks so much for your story.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.